Hi everybody, welcome to the Super Messy Dolly Studio, and yes, I fell down and bought another Rune doll. It's interesting that term, falling down, because I actually recently did fall down and hurt myself, but I'm mending. But the literal version of that did happen to me, as well as the figurative. As you know, I got this doll not that long ago. I did an unboxing. I've done quite a few videos of her by the time you see this video. And yeah, so I was talking to Kim of the Dolls, Witch, and Wardrobe and March Payne's Dolly Midlife Crisis. We've been doing collabs and chit-chatting about this doll and doll stuff in general. And yeah, Kim mentioned about she got this one, and she talked about getting this one. And I had been, that was in my back of my mind, get this other doll, because it's basically the same doll, but they have different hairstyles and different outfits. But, these are limited in quantity. They are made by a small business artist, doll artist, Isabel Anderson. And I like the dolls. I want both dolls. They're not ridiculously expensive as far as I'm concerned, and I want to support people like her, and so I did it. Bought the other doll, and I will turn the camera around and open her up, even though I know some of you have already seen her on YouTube at this point, but I'm sharing her anyway. And now I'll have both of these little Rune dolls hanging out on the dolly shelf here in my very messy but soon to be cleaned up doll room. Alright, here is the box. Again, I will be keeping this box because it's really pretty. I'm not usually the person that keeps boxes, but because there just isn't a lot of room in my home to do that. But this is a functional box. This is something I can store doll stuff in. So, love the look of this girl. Yeah. Okay, let's open her up. Let's see my Rune number 2 in the eye outfit. She's got distressed jeans on, tennis shoes. These are the same tennis shoes as the other doll, I believe, or maybe not. I think the other one is white and red. All right. And she's in here just tied in, very easy to take out. Really appreciate that I don't have to spend so much time getting around. And she still was very securely in there. She's fine. And she put some protective plastic around her face, so that's nice. All right, so this doll's hair is pulled up top and let loose. There's a little bend there, but I can get that bend out by wetting it, not a problem. In fact, I have, I'm waiting on some doll hair products right now that I've ordered, so she might be a good candidate to try that out. I just love her face. It just cracks me up. All right, so let me take off this little bit of tissue here. I'll do that off camera. I'm just going to take my little tiny scissors and snip it, and it peels right off. All right, I got it off of her neck. Her hair is super soft. Really nice hair on these dolls. Beautiful, cute face up. She's got that attitude going on. She's got limited articulation. If you didn't see my other doll unboxing of the other doll, her legs move up and down, her arms move up and down, her head moves side to side. That's kind of it. Okay. But I'm all right with that. These dolls stand unassisted. Whoop, pretty easily. Yep. So let me get the other doll so we can look at them together. Let's see. Does she have any skivvies on? Just curious. No skivvies. Oh, but these pockets, these have working pockets. Look at that. Get my little tool thingy out. Yeah, working pockets. Cool. Distressed pants here. Jeans. Tennies. Yeah, she's supposed to be a little witch, a teenage witch. And yeah, that definitely, that little narrative appeals to me. All right, so let's get out. Let me get the other doll that I got first. All right, so I've done a video recently where I did a collab with March Payne's Dolly Midlife Crisis and the Dolls of the Witch in the Wardrobe. And we showed our Rune dolls in different outfits. So that's why she's not wearing her stock. She's wearing a conglomeration of items. So these are 1/6 scale dolls. They are, you know, they have the same face. This doll's hair is pulled back at the top and parted on each side. This doll's hair is parted on the side once and then braided. And I'm going to probably just keep her hair in the braid. I might re-braid it at some point. This doll, yeah, like I said, I'm going to try to get that little dent out because obviously that's, you know, she was tied down, so that is understandable. I think I have some stuff coming that I can just squish, or even just water would work. But yeah, so I was curious about this doll's tennis shoes. And yes, they are red and white instead of black and white. And I have been getting some shoes here. In fact, I'm now, especially now that I have this girl, I'm going to order some more of these tennis shoes. I did get them off of Mimi Woo. And so I'm going to get some in white, I think, maybe even a couple of pair. These dolls can almost, yeah, okay, now she's standing up. So, yeah, so she can stand up in these tennis shoes. So I do like these for them. Also, Isabel does sell some shoes. I'm kind of kicking myself now. I should have just bought them. She has shoes for these dolls that she 3D prints. But I was like, I don't know. She has all these different colors. And I was like, I don't know what color I should get. I wasn't keen on black just because, I mean, I kind of am. But then I don't want to have black feet. So I finally was just like, I'll get them later. Now I kind of wish I just bought them when I bought this doll, but oh well, because those are like more like kind of dressy, like pumps almost versus tennis shoes. So it would bring her a different look to the girl. But yeah, so I'm very happy with them. I'm very happy I got both of them. Yes, so keep a lookout for Isabel Anderson. She has some other really cute dolls, some really, you know, high-end artistic dolls that are kind of a little bit out of my price range. But these gals, I think, for what you get is very reasonable. They're super cute. Like I said, I don't know what it is. The face of these dolls I really like. Not that they're the same at all, but they give me those dolls, cherry dolls, MBM cherry dolls, they give me that kind of vibe, that sort of, you know, stare and attitude in the face up. So yeah, so anyway, yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm crazy, I know, but I appreciate you coming by and spending a little dolly time. Please give this a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Have a wonderful dolly day. Bye bye.